Once upon a time, in a small village nestled at the foot of a magnificent mountain, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily had always dreamt of climbing the great mountain, which stood tall and proud, its peak hidden among the clouds. One sunny morning, Lily gathered her courage and set off on her adventure. The initial steps were easy, but as she ascended higher, the path became steeper and more treacherous. She stumbled, scraped her knee, and felt her energy waning. Doubts began to creep into her mind, and she wondered if she should turn back. Just as Lily was about to give up, she came across an old man sitting on a rock, watching her intently. He had a wise and weathered face, his eyes filled with a glimmer of understanding. Sensing her distress, he spoke softly, "Little one, I see the struggle in your eyes. Remember, the mountain may be steep, but so is your determination. Persevere, and you shall find the strength within you." Lily took a deep breath, wiping away her tears, and decided to listen to the old man's advice. She pushed forward, step by step, battling exhaustion, fear, and self-doubt. The mountain challenged her at every turn, but Lily refused to surrender. As she climbed higher, the winds grew stronger, and the air grew thinner. The mountain seemed to test her resolve, throwing obstacles in her path. But Lily stayed focused, channeling her inner strength. She clung onto rocks, found footholds in crevices, and continued to ascend, despite the fatigue that threatened to consume her. Hours turned into days, and Lily's journey became a testament to her unwavering perseverance. Finally, with her last ounce of strength, she reached the summit. A wave of exhilaration washed over her as she stood atop the majestic mountain, marveling at the breathtaking view that stretched before her. From that moment on, Lily understood the power of perseverance. She realized that by refusing to give up, she had conquered not just the mountain, but her own fears and limitations as well. The journey had transformed her, molding her into a resilient and determined individual. As Lily descended the mountain, she carried with her a newfound wisdom. She shared her story with others, inspiring them to never give up on their dreams, no matter how difficult the path may seem. Her tale became a beacon of hope, reminding everyone that perseverance could move mountains and achieve the seemingly impossible. And so, Lily's legacy lived on, inspiring generations to come. Her story taught others that success often lay just beyond the point where most would have given up. It taught them to embrace challenges, stay resilient, and tap into their inner strength. Remember, no matter what obstacles you face, keep moving forward with perseverance. The path may be tough, but the rewards are immeasurable. Believe in yourself, for within you lies the power to overcome anything and achieve greatness.